Good evening, everybody. My name is Wadha Mari from Imam Abdurrahman bin Faisal University, and I will present our paper Data Extraction based on Web Scrapy. The outline of this presentation is Introduction, Related Work, Methodology, Results, and Conclusion. In real time, the internet has many advantages to the user. One of the advantages is the user can obtain information from the internet in various fields, such as medicine, economics, or other life fields. One of the tools used by the user to collect information is Web Scrapy. Web Scrapy scrapes the data from web page and returns the data that a user looking for without needing to browse the web page, which is save the time, effort, and can access multiple data. Scrapy is open source web crawling, written in Python. It provides high-quality tools for retrieving data from websites, processing and storing them in various formats. The aim of the study is to develop a product collection system based on Scrapy framework that served any graduate student. Web Scrapy is high efficient and accurate in retrieving data from websites and also able to store data in different file formats or databases. The methodology used in this paper, we use Web Scrap and HTML selector to collect data from many websites. After study related work to our paper, we found many researchers have used web crawlers to get the web data for their researchers' work. First, in 4 studies number 4, 7, 9, and 10, the researchers used Python to design and develop system based on Scrapy framework, and the researchers found the crawler is very fast and efficient method to obtaining data from websites. Second, one of the studies is use Mongo database to store data, and they used virtualization tool Robo3T to file data that were stored in database. In studies number 7 and 12, the researchers used CS file to store data. Also, one of the studies combining between Scrapy and Redis, and the results showed that distributed crawler is efficient more than the single crawler. So, in this study focuses on using Scrapy framework. The crawler extracts the data from different websites, and this studies focus on the crawler system in this website based on Scrapy. The spider is created to extract the information and display it in web PHP site. Also, we focus on use Python standard libraries and Scrapy crawler framework to extract the data that help any graduate student. For methodology, we use Scrapy framework and HTML selector. First of all, we need to know how Scrapy framework. Scrapy engine control operation and data flow in the system. First, scheduler organizes crawler requests by arranging requests in a queue. Downloader middleware dealing with request and response between scheduler and downloader. Downloader executes the request and returns the response to the spider. After that, spider determines how websites will be scrapped and extracting items. Then, item pipeline will approving scrapped data that are scrapped by the spider and storing the scrapped item in database. Scrapy uses 2 types of selector to extract a specific part of the HTML selector code, XPath and CS selector, And in our system we use CS selector to selecting HTML based on their name, tag, classes, attribute as shown in figure 1. In implementation, we design a system to collect data about a product that are serving any graduate student, such as books, printer, computers, mobile phone, and their accessories. The system supported many websites: eBay, Jarir, Neil and Furat, Noon, Extra, and Amazon. The main actors of the system is administrator and user. The administrator manages the system and the user can log into the system and search for the desired product. In figure 2, we design front-end user interface by using PHP. The primary process is searching for a product and obtaining information about it from several different websites. The user can search about search keywords and click the search button to get the result. Also, the user can determine prices of the product to compare between products. To build the system, first we need to create a crawler project file, which consists from configuration file, project item file, project pipeline file, and project setting file. In figure 3, one of the important files in the project is item, which consists from the items that carry certain files. After create crawler, we need also to create spider to extract products data, and to create spider, we need to a selector to select a product name, product price, product URL, and image URL of the product. And to the spider get the information, we need to write source code of the spider classes and run the spider. To run the spider, we need to type following command on the terminal: Scrapy crawl Amazon. Amazon is a project file. After that, we need to save the scrapped data to display it as a result of the search. And we choose to store the scrapped data inside CS file by writing the following command in the terminal: Scrapy crawl Amazon -o mydata.cs file. In figure 7, the final output of the crawler CS file that consists of scrapped data. The amount of the data scrapped by the crawl is 9083 records. All of these records about products that served and graduate students. After cleaning the process, we reach the data set shown in the figure 7, which is listed only the last 15 records. In conclusion, we proposed a system to store data that is extracted on CS file. The results show the proposed system is help the user and graduate student to obtain the information about the products he is looking for and display the research result from different online shopping sites. The results show the user can combine between the prices of the products through a simple and effective interface. Scrapy is high efficient and accurate in retrieving data from websites, also able to store data in different file formats or databases. Thank you for listening.